Just when we all thought the drama was finally over, the court battle between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard looks to be heating up again. Amber, led by her legal team, is planning on launching a full-scale assault in an appeal against the verdict. But she has made one huge blunder that may end up sealing her fate once and for all. What mistake has Amber made, and how much will it cost her? Keep on watching to find out. A stunning revelation was made over a Twitter thread very recently in the Amber Heard appeal saga. Sharing a news report, Emmy-nominated law and crime news reporter and presenter Agneta Levy took to Twitter to write, "Breaking. As expected, Amber Heard files a notice of appeal with Virginia Court of Appeals. Johnny Depp team issues a statement below. More expected from Heard camp later." In reply to this, a user asked, "Was the required bond put up?" To which Ms. Levy replied, "Just the $500. I assume suspension bond will be posted when appeal is filed." Now this is huge news, and let us tell you why by breaking it all down for you. Close to 2 months after a Virginia jury handed the ex-Pirates of the Caribbean star a big win in his multi-million-dollar defamation trial against his ex-wife and Rum Diary co-star, Heard on Thursday officially informed the court that she plans to appeal the verdict. At this point, Heard has not paid the $8.3 million bond required under Virginia law for her to conduct an appeal, as Judge Penny Askred curtly informed the actress's legal team on June 24th. While the fee will be required down the line, Heard only had to put up only $500 to begin the appeal process today. Heard's team has until September 4th to file their appeal. But what happens if they fail to file their appeal and pay the suspension bond till the deadline? That's where things get interesting. If Depp's side does pursue follow-through on the money, they can attach property and try to attach her any wages or any residuals coming in and start going after it through the court. But that is a separate process that starts once the judgment is entered, and it can be a very lengthy court process to enforce a judgment. Filing for bankruptcy wouldn't necessarily help Heard with the damages payment. Defamation, and when it's against a public figure, that willfulness element, that malice element, takes it right out of the ability to be discharged in bankruptcy. In other words, in case of a failure to pay the suspension bond, Johnny has the right to seize all of Amber's assets, including income and property, essentially destroying her whole life. Social media was quick to react to this. One user tweeted, "So a judge cannot force a suspension bond. It's not a requirement. That's a request that's made by one or both parties. Amber appealed without a suspension bond because she can't afford the $10 million plus 6% interest because broke as F." Another person wrote, "Amber Heard filed her notice of appeal, but she has not come up with the money for her suspension bond. IOW, she has paid $500 to file notice of appeal, but she has not come up with the $10.3 million with interest to prevent Johnny Depp coming after her for what she owes him." That's all for today, folks. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Amber will manage to pay for the suspension bond before the deadline? Don't forget to like and subscribe.